Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos here over the next couple of weeks talking about pre-emergent applications, the fall pre-emergent application. And there's something I wanted to make very clear, just kind of lay a foundation for that. And that's this. Whatever's going on in your lawn right now has nothing to do with this fall pre-emergent application. It's not going to affect at all what's going on in your lawn right now in terms of weed control. It has nothing to do with it. And if whatever is going on in your lawn right now is a result of what was or was not done months and months ago. So if your lawn is looking really bad, as if it's overrun with weeds, that's a result of a failure to get a pre-emergent out at the right time earlier on in the year. It has nothing to do with the post-emergent products you're using. A lot of people think, well, what I'm using right now just isn't working. It has nothing to do with that. It has to do with everything to do with a failure to put your pre-emergent application out earlier in the year. Likewise, if your lawn looks great, like this one, almost completely weed-free, it'd be really hard to find a weed in this lawn right now. That's not because of any magical post-emergent application that was put down recently on this yard. That's because of what was done months and months ago with the pre-emergent application. So it's very important to remember that when I'm talking about this fall pre-emergent, I'm not talking about what's going on in your lawn right now. It has everything to do with what we're trying to accomplish months from now, to get your lawn weed-free months from now. So just important to remember that. Keep that in mind as you watch these videos. This is super important, the most important application of the year. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.